Why food label reading matters?
Accidentally eating allergens can seriously impact health. Learning to read food labels helps you avoid hidden sources of gluten, peanuts, dairy, or other allergens. Even trace amounts in packaged foods may cause reactions. Understanding ingredient lists and warning statements empowers you to shop and eat more safely, protecting yourself and loved ones from accidental exposure.
Spotting common allergen ingredients.
Gluten, nuts, dairy, and other major allergens often hide under unexpected names. For example, wheat might appear as semolina or spelk, and milk as casein or whey. Carefully scan the ingredient list for less obvious terms. Checking every ingredient, especially in processed foods, ensures you don't miss a risky additive.
Understanding allergen statements and warnings.
Look for phrases like contains, may contain, or processed in a facility. These statements alert you to potential allergen presence, even if the main ingredients seem safe. May contain traces means the product could be contaminated during manufacturing. When in doubt, choose items with clear allergen-free labeling, or contact the manufacturer for more details.
Watch for changes in recipes and brands.
Manufacturers can change recipes without warning. A favorite snack might suddenly include a new ingredient or carry different allergen warnings. Every time you buy a product, even trusted brands, double-check the label for updates. Being vigilant prevents accidental allergen exposure from unnoticed recipe changes.
Helpful tips for safer shopping.
Keep a list of safe and unsafe ingredients based on your allergens. Use your phone or a small notebook when shopping. If an ingredient is unfamiliar, wait and research before consuming. Stick to products labeled allergen-free or certified gluten-free when possible. Planning ahead makes mealtimes easier and safer for everyone with dietary restrictions.